I want to know if it has a connection to Aguyi, who keeps tormenting me in my dreams. And now it has become a reality. Who am I? Who am I, Mama?
When you were born, I was mocked. So many people called me a witch because you were born with the stone in your hands. There was nothing I didn't do to get rid of it. I threw it into the bush, even into a deep pit. But it kept coming back. Sometimes in your clothes, other times in your hands, or anywhere around you. Then I asked the seer and so many other spiritualists. They all said one thing, that you were a special child who will make positive impact in this world. But you will not live beyond 35 because a certain man who wants to live forever will come for your head in order to perform his ancient ritual of immortality.
The man who came today.
Hi.
Only a tree will hear that it's about to be cut down and still remain in same spots. I will fight. I am not a coward. No one will take my head without a fight. I will fight Aguyi Uriobala with the last drop of my blood. I will fight.
Aguyi Uriobala will live forever.
Jide, where are you going to? What are you doing with your late father's gun, Jide?
Mama, you don't be I dey go work like this. And I swear to God, if Aguyi cross my path, he go die. Blood go flow. The body go suffer. I don't well, me go ask question.
Jide.
And they whine.